Maintaining a healthy diet and weight as a natural fatty liver prevention. The answer to disease always goes back to the same thing: eat a healthy diet if you want to stay healthy. And this is the case if you want to prevent a fatty liver. Remember to subscribe, comment, share and like it. Click on the bell to be informed of the latest videos uploaded. Thanks. Vancouver researchers reported in 2013 that DHA may play a central role in co-coordinating complex networks that integrate liver fatty acid metabolism. And most people's diets are low in DHA and EPA, the two omega-3 fats that could potentially benefit fatty liver disease. Russian scientists discovered that patients with metabolic syndrome who had non-alcoholic fatty liver disease made clear mistakes in their diet. They ate too many calories each day, of which these calories included too many animal proteins and fats. Their food choices left them to be deficient in fiber, carbohydrates, antioxidants, vitamins B1 thiamine, B2 riboflavin, and vitamin B6 pyridoxal phosphate. Brazilian researchers also found that diet was associated with the presence of non-alcoholic fatty liver disease. The study participants ate too many calories, too much fat, and too much saturated fat. All of them ate less than the recommended amount of monounsaturated fats, such as from olive oil, and did not meet the requirements for calcium, sodium, potassium, pyridoxine and vitamin C. About 15% ate too much salt as well. What type of healthy diet do you need to prevent fatty liver? One that focuses on healthy serving sizes of vegetables and fruits, protein foods, olive oil, and only a handful of nuts each day. Make sure you include healthy beverages such as freshly squeezed juices, pure water, and herbal teas. Some experts will also add grains to the list of healthy foods, and if the grains are non-GMO, then that's when you'll get the most benefits for your health. Here's a sample of a good healthy diet that supports your liver when you have a fatty liver. Breakfast. Whole grain cereal like quinoa with raisins and milk, 2 eggs. Lunch. 1 quart salad with romaine, spinach, kale, artichoke hearts, tomatoes, radishes, carrots, celery and chicken breast meat, honey mustard dressing, berry chocolate dessert. Dinner. Salmon, boiled red potatoes, green beans, whole grain roll with butter, pumpkin pie. Remember to subscribe, comment, share and like it. Click on the bell to be informed of the latest videos uploaded. Thanks. You'll achieve your ideal body weight, have more energy than you can imagine, and reverse your fatty liver with this sample diet. Get more information here. https://bit.ly/2p3gz9j